Hello, in this video, I'm gonna cover NPM Packages Versions, and this is the part 1, and I will cover command install. So let's begin. First, you should know what semantic versioning is. If you don't know about that, please check that first. So let's begin. So here, if you see this package.json file, 2.7.1 course is here. So let me install it. Alright, and if you check the version, 2.7.1 is here, right? However, let me delete this. If you use this symbol, then it accepts the changes of patch version. So this is the page of course, and I checked this. There is a version of the history. Not history of the versions, and 2.7.1 and 2.7.2 is here. So 2.7.1, and if I write this, and if I write npm I, if I check 2.7.2 is here, right? This version is installed, but be careful, it is still 2.7.1 is here. If you want to change this version in package.json, then you have to use another package. Anyway, so this is it. And if we use this, and let me delete these, then changes about minors also reflected. So 2.7 we're 2.7.1, right? And 2.8 can be also reflected, right? 2.8.5. Let's see if it works. So let me install them again. Install it again. If you see this, 2.8.5 version is installed, and this one did not change. And if you see this document, I will write the link below in the description section. And this part, we can also use this and this for patch releases, and this and this instead of this for minor releases. And major releases, there are also major releases. There are also symbols for major releases as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.